Okay, so I have a circle like that. Sorry, I wasn't even on the screen before. So I'm going to break it up into a whole bunch of, into 9 little central angles like that. Then I'm going to end up connecting the vertices to make my polygon, right? So to get this central angle, it's going to be 360 divided by whatever number of sides I'm working with, and I'm going to be working with 9, so it's 360 divided by 9, right? Now 36 divided by 9 is 4, so 360 divided by 9 is 40 degrees. Okay, is everybody okay with that? Okay, so in the center of my screen, I am going to put a dot right there. And I'm going to adjust my compass so it's about 6 centimeters, like so. Okay, and here, you can't really see it because I'm blocking it with my hand, but I'm going to make a circle. Like that. Notice I lean the compass in the direction I want to make my circle, eh? Like that. Okay, don't try and make a circle with your compass bolt up and down. Always lean it in the direction and then twist it with your fingertips. All right, so now I want to create my angle. Now because this has an odd number of sides, I can't make a diameter, but I'm going to make a radius from the center and go straight out. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy protractor. Okay, and my 40 degrees is right there. And so I'm going to line this up with my like that. Okay, so this is my 40 degrees. And I'm just going to, basically, I'm going to use my compass to measure this distance. Like that, okay? So you just want to make a little arc. Okay, so I'm going to come back, make a little arc there. And I'm just going to go halfway around the circle in this direction. Okay, and then the other direction. The other method is I can just keep measuring 40 degrees. So I can go 40, then 80, then 120. '80, 120, and 160. Okay, and I do the same thing going the opposite direction. Maybe this might be a little bit more accurate. So 40, 80, 120, 160. Okay, and let's line these up. See, the problem is if you have a little error, and you always have a little error when you're measuring with a compass, just a little tiny error. But if you have that little tiny error, and each time it adds up. Okay, oops, did I get that one right? Yep. Okay. Now you don't have to draw the whole line, by the way. Okay, I could just, I'm really just interested in where it crosses the circle, right? But okay, so now I have my 9 vertices, and I just want to connect them. So I'm just going to draw. Okay, notice I put my pen or my pencil on the point that I want to start my ruler at, and then I put my ruler up against it. Okay, that's a good way of making your lines as accurate as possible. All right, and that's my nonagon. Okay, and so here's my apothem. So I want to get a nice right angle here. So I can use my set square, that's at 90 degrees. So I put my ruler against the base of this triangle. And I put my set square down. And make sure it's going up through the apex. Whoops. Okay. So this length is my apothem. And that is 5.6 centimeters. All right, my base is 4 centimeters. All right, so my area, well, first of all, my perimeter is going to be 9 times 4 centimeters is 36 centimeters. And my area is going to be the area of this triangle, which is base times height divided by 2 times the number of sides. In this case, it's 9. Okay, so my base is my side length is 4. The height is the apothem. Okay, it's 5.6 divided by 2 times 9. All right, then handy dandy calculator time. So 4 times 5.6 divided by 2 times 9. Okay, so 100.8 centimeters squared. All right, is everybody okay with that? Yeah. Okay, and that's how you can make a regular nonagon. Okay, or really any regular polygon.